Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss how we perform the drag and drop functionality in the Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so sometime we have some feature in the application where we need to perform the drag and drop. Okay, we need to drag the elements object from one locator and we need to drop into another locator. Okay, like example, if I open this application, you can see there is a drag object. We can drop this in particular locator. Okay, so this functionality is known as the drag and drop functionality, and Selenium WebDriver will provide some methods. Using that, we can drag and drop. We can handle this scenario, these steps. Okay, so how we do that? So as we discussed in the previous session, we have action class which will use to handle the mouse interactions. Okay, so like here, first of all, I need to create the drive actions object. Okay, actions class object. How we create that actions, and equal to new actions, we need to pass here the driver object. Okay, now next we need to call the corresponding methods in action class. So what method we need to call? So action will provide two methods. One is the drag and drop. Second is the drag and drop by. Okay, so I will discuss one by one both methods. So first of all, let me show here on the browser. So when we are going to drag, then we have one locators, one element. So this is our source locator, and second is where we will drop. This is our target locator. So here we need to get the two locators. One is the source, second is the target, and we need to drag source into the target. Okay, so we need to capture the both element locators. So I'm going to capture this. ID is a drag able. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to create the web element object. Okay, the web element object. This is source, suppose that. Element equal to driver dot find element by dot id. Okay, so this is our source, and second element, uh, we need to get the further target. Okay, so target, let me capture the target element. This is our target where we need to drop the object. Okay, so this is drop able. So this is also ID. I'm going to capture this ID, drop able, and this is the target element. Target element. So we have two element locators. One is source, second is target, and now here we need to drop this into drag this source and drop into the target. So here in Selenium WebDriver, there is a function action object. In actions object, drag and drop. So we need to get source as a first argument and then target as the second argument. Then I need to call the build dot perform. Okay, so if I use this, then element will be dragged into particular locator. Now let me run and show you. Yeah, so this element is dropped here, right? So now next, here we can use the drag and drop one element to into another element, but sometimes we have also some functionality where we don't have a target element. Okay, we need to drop particular locators in a some locations. Okay, like if I talk this, then this we can drag in any particular location. Like suppose that if you want to drop here or here. Okay, so how we do that? Okay, so here there is only one locators, not multiple locators. Okay, so how we do that? So first of all, we need to capture the element locators of this element. Okay, so let me give the locator. So Yeah, it has a drag box. This is ID. So we can get this ID, and I will also navigate to a particular URL. Okay, so this is drag able URL. Let me copy here so that it will change the look URL. Okay, so now this is the source element. So we can get the object drag element. Okay, now I need to move this on a particular location. So first of all, we need to capture the element ID, element locators, and use the driver.find element to get the wave element object. And then I need to call the action dot drag and drop by. This will take three arguments. In first, we can pass the source element, okay, and in second, we can pass the x coordinate, and in second, we need to pass the y coordinate. So this will be this is the offset, right? So suppose that if we want to pass here 100 and then 100, so this is in a pixel, and this will move the elements from current location 100 pixel to x direction and 100 pixel into y direction. So in this way this will move. So let me run and we'll show you. Yeah, you can see this is drop. Okay, yeah, I need to call here the build dot perform. Okay, so that's why it is not moved. Yeah, so now you can see this is directly moved from here to here. So 100 pixel is this is moved. Okay, so what happen if we will use the coordinate which are outside of the range? Like suppose that I am passing here 1000 x and 100 y. So let me show what will happen in that case. Yeah, here we are getting an exception. What is the exception? Exception move target out of bounds. It means the pixels, what coordinates we are passing, that is outside of the range. Okay, we need, so then we need to make sure if we are using this offset. So these offset will be in the same direction, like if we are moving this. So if we are trying to move from different location, which is offset is outside of the browser or range something, right? So this will not move. So we need to make sure this will be within the range. This offset will not outside of the range. Okay, so thanks for watching the video and hope this will help you to uh, for the to handle the action drag and drop functionality using the action class. Thanks for watching the video.